Yes, sir. What it do? What it do? What it do, YouTube? Big homie squad. It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter, the shooter. And I'm back with another one, man. What's going on? Yeah. Your boy off work early today. And it's pretty. It's sunny. And I'm going to the range. Yeah, they thought they was going to keep me at work all day. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, 70% chance of rain tomorrow. So it look like ain't no going to the range tomorrow. So, yeah. I gave y'all half my day. And the other half, I'm finna head to the range. Oh, I'm gonna give me some practice in. I'm gonna give me a little training in. I'm gonna, yeah. Every week, yeah. Got to. It's mandatory. Got to go get me. Oh, not to mention, I got 2 matches next week. Got one Wednesday at Last Resort, as always. And then I got my first outdoor match since I've been back shooting next Saturday. So, yeah. I need all the practice I can get. Sure indeed. So yeah, in the meantime, in between time, yeah. Man, I'm in a good mood, man. I'm really like happy to be out because work was kind of hectic today. But yeah, man. Man, y'all hit that sub button, hit that like button, leave your boy a comment, hit the little bell notification so y'all know when I drop. But yeah, man, in the meantime, in between time, man, y'all stay tuned, man. Finna go hit the range, hit the range. I got I only brought me about 155, 165, 170 rounds. But guess what? That's 160, 55, 65, 70 trigger pulls. Let's go. Alright, so I really came out here to trigger discipline, kind of work on knowing my gun, the trigger. So a partner of mine, shout out to Ethan, put me up on this, it ain't necessarily a drill, but yeah, every time the beep go off, you take a shot and you put you aiming at one specific spot. So that's kind of what I came out here to do. That's why I didn't bring a whole lot of ammo. But yeah, I'm finna play around first. So finna try something. Oh. See if I can do this in under 4 seconds. .452. Ah! One Charlie. Show y'all. One measly Charlie. It's cool though. Don't worry about it. Make sure I'm back set up. Try it again. .403 this time, and I threw another Charlie, and I missed 2 at the top. Yeah, I missed them 2 at the top. Ah! Oh well. Let's do this. One more time. I think I got 10. And then I'm gonna get to work for what I really came out here to do. Yeah, I think there's 10. Ugh. $383. Ah. And I only threw 1. No. 2 at the top. And 1. But I did it in 383. I'm about to get it done clean, so yeah, don't worry about it. Stay tuned. Alright. So I'm tripping. I don't know why I keep. Y'all see the X? So the X is what I'm aiming at. I'm not gonna drop my presentation, none of that. So, oh, and it's gonna be from 10 yards, which is like right here. So pretty much every time the beep go off, I take a shot. Bang, bang. And we want all 20 of them to be on that X right there. So, yeah. All right, man. Let's go to work. Oh, gotta set the time. Sheesh. 20 reps. 1 shot. One and a half on a part-time. Let's go. Let's get it. Take a look. I would say that's all 20. I would say that's the whole 20. I say that's the whole 20 ball. Hey, y'all stay tuned. Going over to the steel. Alright, so get this timer set back right. Now all I'm doing is working transitions, like trying to work on getting better and getting faster on the transitions. So and I'm gonna throw some reloads in there also. Where did I put that damn thing? Didn't even have my deck. It's only recording one shot. Do this. I'm missing that first shot, and that's something we need to be working on. Last video, the problem that I had when I was dipping to the right, I'm still having that problem. Yeah, I'm still having that problem. Oh. I was just going for it. Yeah, stay tuned, man. Guess we working reloads. Shooter wasn't ready. Alright, so productive day. I just want to come shoot. I really just want to come relieve some stress from the day because yeah, work kind of kicked the nigga ass. But in the meantime, in between time, hey man, shout out to Savior Equipment. Your boy got a new range bag. And it come with me pouches. I mean, ammo pouches. So I got a bunch of them. But yeah, it's a dope bag, man. I got another one coming. It's a like a PCC bag. It's called a coffin. I got one of them coming too. Yes, sir. But in the meantime, in between time, man, y'all know who it is. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what it is, man. The P320 scooter, the #1 shooter.